Let's save it. Save it to Taka image file. Give it name 01. Open it. It will redirect it to Adobe Photoshop. Control 0 to fit. Control J to duplicate. And Control Shift A for camera filter. Now let's make some adjustment. Clarity, it's like 15. Exposure 0.3. Shadows 30. Highlight to 30. And temperature 1. Detail 50. Okay. Shift Control A W to export. Uncheck transparency. Export. Save. Do the same. Shift Control R W. Export. Give a name 02. So that's it. Thank you for joining me in this video tutorial. Please subscribe to see more videos and keep this channel alive. See you again next time. Bye bye.